Hello everyone, welcome to the Who's Kitchen. Today I'll make sukiyaki. Sukiyaki is a treat at home in Japan. I love sukiyaki, you love sukiyaki, everyone loves sukiyaki. Let's get started.
Cut the green onions diagonally into 1 centimeter. Roughly cut Chinese cabbage. Use 1/4. Cut garland chrysanthemum. It's called shungiku in Japanese. Spinach can be used as a substitute. Cut off the root of shiitake mushroom and cut the decoration. Make a diagonal cut from both. It's a decorative cut that's often used for hot pot cooking. Make a tree cut. Enoki use 1/2. Cut off the root and cut in half. Divide into easy to eat size. This is a grilled tofu. It's called yaki tofu in Japanese. Drain the water and cut into 5 to 6. This is a shirataki. It's a kind of konjac. Pronunciation in Japanese is konyak. Wash well with water.
I explain about the ingredients of sukiyaki. Hey look! Green onions, Chinese cabbage, shungiku, enoki, grilled tofu, shirataki konjac, shiitake mushroom, and wagyu.
Make sukiyaki sauce 100cc soy sauce, 200cc sake, 100cc mirin, and 60 grams of sugar. Sukiyaki sauce called warishita in Japanese is sweet and salty taste. Bring to a boil to remove alcohol. 3, 2, 1. Put the iron pot on the heat. Add beef tallow and dissolve. Add green onions and fry over low heat. Fry slowly to bring out the aroma. Take out the green onions. Break the egg into the bowl and mix well. I'll dip the meat into this egg later. Add the beef in the iron pot and bake both sides quickly. A fragrant scent drifted. Add the sukiyaki sauce when it's brown. Wow, it's amazing scent. Tango beef in sukiyaki sauce. Taste only the beef before stewing with other ingredients. Let's taste it. Dip into an egg and eat. Looks delicious.
Oh, it's violent. Whew.
Arrange the ingredients in the iron pot. This channel will introduce many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Update it every Friday and sometimes twice a week. I plan to post a lot during the year-end and New Year holidays. Please subscribe. Thank you. For the sukiyaki sauce. Finally, add the beef. Wagyu beef is beautiful. When I was a kid, my family often quarreled whether to eat sukiyaki or shabu shabu. I'm ready. Put the iron pot on low heat. Stew the ingredients. In Japan, it's customary for families to eat around the pot. Eat from boiled ingredients. The beef is boiled, so let's eat it. Perfect. Dip into an egg.
Wagyu beef fat is melted in my mouth. Sukiyaki is very good with rice. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Sweet and salty sauce is better. I think I can eat as much rice as I want. It's delicious even if you add udon at the end. But I can't eat today because I drink too much. You do try it on your special day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.